Welcome to this video guys. In this video I will show you how you can install OpenCV in Python in your Visual Studio Code, and we will also create a sample Python application that uses OpenCV and does some applications or tasks on an image. So let's get started. First, go to File and click on Open Folder. Now you can open an existing project or create a new folder here. I'll call it OpenCV app. Select the folder, and here our project is now open. As you can see, it says OpenCV app. Now let's click on this to create a new file, and let's write some code that uses OpenCV. So I have this code here. Now it is taking an image from the disk and it is just converting it to grayscale. Alright, so let's add an image here. So I'll go to my desktop. I have an image here that is called image.png. Just move it inside this application here, or this project folder here. So as you can see, the image is shown here. Now I can just write path is ./img.png. This / means inside this current folder. Okay, now here you might be seeing a Python version selected already if you have an interpreter selected. In my case, it is showing select interpreter. So if you have a Python version shown here, no need to do anything. But if you are seeing this, just click on this and choose one of the selected Python versions. So I'll choose Python 3.12 for now. Now I was seeing two options because I have multiple Python versions installed. You can check the links in the description below that shows you how you can install multiple Python versions. So once we have selected the interpreter, as you can see, you will see this warning here that says import CV2 could not be resolved. That is because we have not yet installed OpenCV. So what you can do is just click on terminal and click on new terminal, and let's check our Python version first by typing this command. So the Python version here is the same as the Python version for which the interpreter is selected. So that means that if we can install OpenCV from the terminal, it will be usable by this interpreter. If you have different Python versions here, you might have to change the Python version that is being pointed by your path. So check the link in the description below and it will show you how you can do that. But if it's the same, you can just type python mpip install OpenCV -python. Now this will install OpenCV for you. So as you can see, you are seeing this message successfully installed OpenCV Python, and that error is also now gone. So let's try to run this file. As you can see, the image is now loaded and image is converted to grayscale. So this is the original image, this one, then it is converted to grayscale, and then we have performed some edge detection here like this. So this is how you can install OpenCV and create OpenCV applications. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.